So I have an idea where I'm gonna partition my hair, kind of like box braids, like, you know, little rows, maybe probably more on top here and on the side where I normally wear my hair. I want to section the hair before I dye it so that I don't actually have to use the papers or foils or whatever, and I could just, I don't know, dye my hair in sections, but have it already sectioned. Let me show you. So first things first, brush my hair, get all the knots out so that when I comb it and make the parts with the smaller comb, it actually runs through pretty smoothly. Mind you, my hair is very greasy, and I'm using little black elastics to partition the hair, and I am specifically leaving certain parts out of the little gatherings of hair that I'm making. That way I can put the dye on the parts that I am putting in the elastics first. And the thought is that as it processes, that those pieces will get lighter and the other pieces will not get as light, and it'll be like highlights. So now I'm mixing bleach powder and 20 developer, 1-to-1 ratio. I don't use a gram scale or anything, but I do put on gloves so that I don't bleach my fingertips. It's pretty potent stuff, so I recommend you use gloves, and also put Vaseline around your skin and the tops of your ears especially. So here I'm just coating each piece, being mindful that I'm only coating the pieces that are in the little elastics. I let this on the elastic part sit for 10 minutes, and you see the different shades here. And now I'm going to coat the rest of the hair so that it all lightens, but not as much as the parts that were in the elastics. And after I coated that, I realized I should probably take the elastics out. I didn't want strict lines by my roots, and I didn't tie the elastics very tight, right? So they just slipped down out of my hair pretty easily. Otherwise, if they don't, I don't suggest pulling on your hair. All right, I washed it out. And at this point, I thought I did absolutely nothing and wasted my time, but... So this lightened quite a bit, and I think it worked out. Like, you could see the gradation, like this is lighter just because I did like the different processing times. It's all very light, right? Because I want to put the purple on top of it again, but I want it to be more purple, more all over the place. So I think I accomplished everything I was looking for here. But so it's not like solid purple, because it'll be more purple in these lighter areas and less purple in these darker areas. So I think this time around is going to be champion. And I'll show you when I do it, obviously, but not today. Today I need a break. That was a lot of work. Thanks for watching though. Bye.